Hello everyone, I am Digant Suwal. This is my demonstration of the Turtle Graphics program for the OOP assignment. Today, I will be walking through all the requirements, showing my code and demonstrating each features of my program. First, let me show you the overall project structure. The IDE I have used is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I have made two main Java files called mainClass.java and turtlegraphics.java. This mainClass.java file handles the initialization and allows user to type commands like move, circle, exit. Commands are typed by the user and are passed to the Turtle Graphics class for execution. Just think of the main class as the host or controller that starts the application and listens to user instructions, whereas Turtle Graphics .java is the core of the application that does all the heavy lifting. It manages the graphical interface, drawing commands, user interaction, it provides a graphical canvas, handle commands, manages the menu bar, tracks history and state, customizations, file operations, help and about, and many more. So to sum it up, it is the drawing engine that handles commands, draws on the canvas, manages the interface and file operations. Likewise, this LBU graphics.zar is provided by my university, which provides the core graphic frameworks we are building upon. So before diving into the requirement section, first there is I kept a note over here for the operator who is running this program in the terminal. You must ensure that the Turtle Graphics class is in the same directory as this file as I have shown over here, this structure. I'm actually using VS Code because I have prior experience in VS Code than in IntelliJ and Eclipse, which are made for Java. So I have used VS Code here. Um, yeah, uh, I have kept this jar file in the referenced libraries over here. This is the lbu graphics.jar jar file. And firstly, if we need to run this program, we need to compile it, then only we run it. Uh, because in this case, we are using external library lbu graphics.jar, and we have a lot of uh, classes, main class and total graphics class. And the advantage of compiling this program first into bytecode uh, is uh, we also need to check for the syntax and type errors before running. So first we need to compile it. This is the command when I will put in the terminal. It will compile this code into bytecode. Then this command will run the program. So let's dive into the requirement sections now. Mm, mm. LBU graphics are properly added to the project. So into your project. So so yes, the LBU graphics.zar is properly added to the project. To show the evidence, we have firstly this import statement, uh, UK import uk.ec.leadspacket.oop.lbu graphics, and yeah, the turtle graphics is extended by the LBU graphics. and we have kept the jar file properly here in the Java assignments submenu reference libraries over here. This is the lbiographics.jar file, as you can see here. And okay, so yes. Project contains main-class.java sets up LBU graphics correctly by extending LBU graphics, or you have moved on and done this in total graphics.java and you have made an object of this in main-class.java. So your project. Okay. Yes, this project correctly sets up the LBU graphics through total graphics properly extends the LBU graphics and main class dot Java creates an instance of turtle graphics. This okay. Uh, okay, this done. Correctly call the LBU graphics about method and turtle animation is displayed. Show your code, then show it running. Okay. Yes, this code properly calls the LBU graphics about method. Uh, Let me show uh, here this about method. The call to this super dot about ensures the original animation is displayed before showing custom information. Let's just run it. Okay. Let's just run it and I'll show you here. So let's compile this program first. Okay, this has been properly compiled. There are no errors. So now let's run the program. Welcome to Total Graphics. A pop-up box appeared. This application is used to draw by controlling a virtual turtle. You can use the menu bar or type commands in the text field below. Type help or use help commands to share the available commands. Read by the answer. Okay. Let me use the about command. Hmm. So it's working. Total graphics version 6.2. Digant Suwal. The same over here. Okay. This one's done too. This obviously I just shown the program. Main class dot Java has a main method which creates an object of turtle graphics dot Java, and then all further processing is done from this object. So all of this in your project. Okay. Yes. Uh, Main class dot Java contains this. Uh, uh, this all commands are entered. All commands that are entered are processed through this turtle graphics object over here. Okay, now I've shown this. The about method is called and the OP animation appears when the user types about into the text field or clicks the OK button. So in your code and show the total animation in response to typing about. Uh, yes, this the about method is triggered over here with proper animations. Let's run this program and I'll show you. Okay, so let's type over here about, then we click on OK, or either we can enter Also, then Total graphics version 6.0 Digant Suwal. Okay, it returned true and also the total showed the about method. What does it do? Uh, okay, yes. Now requirement 2 command support. Mm, Now let's move to the requirement number 2. Um, Pin down command working. We'll see if it works in a moment. So in your code. Okay, pen down command is over here. When the user enters pen down, the code calls the draw on method from the LBU graphics to enable drawing, then confirms with a message. Let's check. Let's check if it's working. Pen down command. Okay, pen down. Pen down. Pen is down. Okay. First, let's use the color, right? Uh, move, uh, clicking. Okay, so the pen down is working. Let's go to yes. So the move command works. You can do this if this works without a so your code then the total moving in response to the user typing. The to move command works with the parameter and can move the turtle by the amount type. So in the code then show the turtle moving by 100. So this requirement checks the okay move command, right? First let's check the move command. Move command is move command is over here. This dispatches to a validator method that process this command. Let's check if it works. Move 100. Okay. Move 150. It worked. Now, yes. Now, reverse command works. Command with the parameter and can move the total by the amount typed. Showing the code, then show total moving by typing reverse 100. Okay. Mm, okay. Let's first check this reverse code. Reverse is over here. This smartly running uh, implements reverse by turning around, moving forward, and turning back. So you may be saying, where is this reverse command? Let me show you this. Where's reverse? Okay, it's over here. First, it moves to the right 180 degrees, then forward. Uh, First it turns around, moving forward, then it turns back. So let's check if the reverse command is working. Let's go reverse. First, let's go reverse 100. It went. Let's check again by first. Let's change the color for better visibility. Green. The pen color is set to green. Then reverse 100. Okay. So the reverse command also works pretty well. Now let's yes. Left command works. You can take this left command. Okay. Left command. Left command. Mm, let's first check the left command. Left. So the left command is over here. Now left command works with a parameter. Let's check if left works. Left 90, left 90 degrees. Okay, left now move 100. Okay, it worked. Now wait. Yes. Right command works. Okay, let's check. Right command. Yes, so the right command is so the left commands this the left commands code, and this is the right commands code over here. Now let's check if the pen command is working. Type in up, then write 90 and okay, let's check if the pen command is working perfectly. Uh, Pen up, then write write 100. So uh, pen up command works also. Okay, now at least four color commands such as red command working. Show it by typing pen down, then red, then move 100, then the turtle should move for the letters that draw line. Show all four of your colors. So yes, this code implements multiple color commands. Let me show multiple color commands like black, green, red, and white. Plus, there is a RGB color option. So here is the uh, uh, a custom RGB color option over here. So, let's check. What? Uh, Four color commands such as red command working. Okay, let's check. Red, move 100. Okay, this works. Right, 9. Okay, let's change the color white. It changed. Move 100. It worked. Let's move, no. Right, 90. Then let's change the color to green. And let's move 100. Now the background is of black color, and if we write black, the color gets changed to black, and if we use move 100, it moved, and the color is black, so the screen couldn't show it properly. Now let's yes, the clear command working. Show in your code and show it clearing the display. Uh, okay, let me show you. Let's first clear canvas cleared. Okay. Mm, the uh clear code is over here. The okay, the is here the clear code. Now let's check another requirement. Yes, the reset command working. Type right 90, then move 100. So a line is drawn. Then type reset. The turtle should return to the center and point down. Showing your code. Okay. Mm, First of all, let's change the color. Move 100. Then we use the reset command. It worked. The reset command is over here. Okay, and the overridden reset command is over here. So let's move on to requirement number three. Reports invalid command type by XSX, and it should report that it is an invalid command. So in their code, and so it detecting an invalid command. So the invalid command is detected by this block of code, and let's try running xxxx unknown command xxxx. So it's a error unknown command. So this is fulfilled. Now let's check detects valid commands with missing parameter type move with no parameter. It should report that there is a missing parameter. So in your code and so it detecting a missing parameter. Okay, yes. The code properly detects when a parameter is required but missing. First, let's check. Mm, let's try to only move. The move command requires a numerical parameter. So let's check in the code. Let's check in the code. So this block of command checks the whether it has a missing parameter. If someone types just move without specifying a distance, they'll see error. The move command requires a numeric parameter. So this is fulfilled. Detects non-numeric parameters. Type move xxx with a non-numeric parameter. It should report the missing parameter to the user. So it in a code and how it handles this. Yes, invalid parameter types are caught and reported over here. Let me show you. So, yeah, this block of command checks. This block of command checks if it is a non-numeric parameter. Uh, this command checks if it is a valid number in the command. This checks the if it is positive or not. Uh, and okay, let's try first. XXX enter. Okay, error XXX is not a valid number for the move command. So entering move XXX would result in error XXX is not a valid number for the move command. So uh, let's now check the bounce parameter. For example, you could show that you can't move the turtle off the screen or make it wrap on the other side, or so you can pass the negative, or so you can pass negative numbers or excessively large numbers. So in your code and so your program reporting to the user. Okay, first let's check in the code. Let me write negative numbers. Move minus 120. Error distance for move must be positive. So it is handling the errors pretty well. Now let's check if it handles a large number like yeah 1000. Error distance for move should not exceed 500 units. It is over here. This checks if this checks the and validates the parameters are within the reasonable bounds and uh, mm, and this checks if the angle should not exceed the 360-degree mark. Similar bound checking exists for other commands like square, circle, radius, star. Yeah, this is for star. This is for spiral. This is for circle. This is for the triangle. And this is for the square. Yeah, over here. Okay, let's yes. Now let's move on to requirement. The save command works to save an image. Draw something with the command. So in your code, draw something and save it up. Open the image in our paint package. So let's do that. First, let's draw. No, first let's change the color to red. Then use square 150. Okay. Now, now let's change the color to green. Then circle 100. So it made the circle do. So we can see the image from over here also. Save from the by using the save image command. But we to make it easier, I have implemented this feature. Save image. Let's no, not documents. Let's save it to where is that? Okay, let's save it to downloads. What? Okay, let's give this name square and image saved to square.png. So let's check if this is really saved in the download folder, and here it is, the png file. Let's open it. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this one is done. So yes. Now next one, load command work. Clear the screen and then open up your image on the total display. So in your code, oh, I forgot the save command works, right? This one, save command. This save image saves the image in PNG format. The code implements comprehensive image saving functionality. The functionality is accessible through menu, file, save image, and uh, also by writing save image over here. So mm, now, let me show you this part. Load command works. Okay, load load image. So this one loads the image which we have saved, and then we can also draw something over it. Let's check. Clear the screen, then open up your image on the total display. So in your code, draw something and save it. Clear the screen and then open up your image in the total display. Okay. Clear the screen. Open your image on the total display. Okay, let me open first. Screen. Okay, the screen is clear. Let me open up the uh, now. Let me open up that image. Square.image. Let's open it up. Um. Okay, move to right. Then move 200. Okay. Now use the color white and then make a circle. No, 100 again. Okay, they save draw something, save it up, clear the screen, then open up. Okay, we have done this too, and the load command save that image works over this one. This code opens up the save uh, and this command opens up the so this command loads up the image, then we can also modify the image according to our needs. So this one is also completed. Now save all the commands previously typed as a text file. So in your code, draw something and save the commands. So in the commands in a text editor. So let's do it to file. Let's save the commands. Hmm, let me uh, Java. Okay, let's save it over here. Text text me that text. Okay, let's save. The commands are saved. Let's check. Hmm, assignments. Not Java assignments. Actually, Java. Okay, the text me it's over here. Clear right 90, move to 100, white circle. Okay, so same as here. So this one also checked. Loads the text file of commands and executes them. Use the command saved in the previous section. So in your code, draw something. So in your code, draw something and oh, let me first show you save command. Okay, this saves the command. This is the code, and now this is one which will load these commands from the txt file. What do you have to do? So load text file, then draw something, then save, then clear the image, and this. Oh my god, it's so long. Mm, okay, let me show you. First of all, let's run this program again. And after it is saved, let's load that txt command, which is in Java Weekly textme.txt open. So here it is. Commands are loaded from textme.txt in the console. And yeah, this was also drawn. Okay. And what do you have to do? The image is created from the commands. Okay, the commands will be listed as in text field of the console. You want to oh yes, the image was made. So commands loaded. Okay. Oh, yes. A warning is displayed somewhere uh, console etc. dialog box if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user answers. So in your code, draw something, then try to clear and show the warning. Okay. So this application warns about unsaved changes in both console and UI. This warning is triggered for loading a new image. Wait a minute, let me show this. Right, let's run this program again. And so if we draw a square, uh, with I gave it without parameters square 100. Now, if we load a new image, it generates a dialog box saying, giving a warning. And Yeah, loading. This is loading image. This and also it is also triggered while load commands. No, load commands. No. Okay. I should know. Okay. And also while exiting the application. Okay. And this that was save image one. This was save command history one. Okay. Now let me show you the code. Uh, Here it is. The uh, the dialog box which prompts to save changes before discarding, and this one exit application. Okay. Now, yes, one is displayed using a GUI dialog box if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user answers. So in your code, draw something, and clear, then try and clear to show the warning. Okay, let me show you once again. Okay, let me make a circle. The application specifically uses JOption pin for GUI dialogs. The dialog shows a warning icon. Uh, oh wait, let me show you. This is it. This offers three, uh, three options: yes, no, and cancel. Let me show you. Yes, no, cancel, and it prevents any action until the user responds. So I can like click over here, and the file operations are thoroughly implemented with proper error handling and user feedbacks. So now let's move to the requirement 5 inheritance. Override the about method so that it still does the same dance but appends a message that contains your name. So in your code, so the new about method working. Okay, first let me show you the code. Okay, here it is. So yes, the about method is properly overridden with the original animation plus a custom message. In this implementation, uh, super about is called to ensure the original total animation is displayed, where and this display message is added to make a custom message with author's name. It's me and the um, version. Okay, so let me show you how it is. Okay, now if I run about over here, so here it is. It is overridden and it displays the a message over here also. So appends a message that contains your name. Okay, so yes, implemented a square length command. Turtle should wander around the edge of the square and return to its original position. So it working. So in your code, how you did this? Let me show you how I did this. Okay. First of all, the square command is fully implemented. Uh, uh, this it draws a square with specified side length, and this yeah, this is called from the command processor with uh, proper validation. Here it is. Square size must be 1 to 300. Invalid parameter for square command. Let me show you how square command works. So let me first clear this up. Then change the color to green. Then put the square 100. Okay. Okay. So this is working perfectly fine. S- Yes. Turtle wandered around the edge of the square and returned to its original position. Yes. A pen. Red, green, blue command takes three parameters, one for red, one for green, one for blue to make an RGB color. This should be subject to full error checking, but it is enough to report only that the parameters are invalid, not necessarily which parameter. So in your code, so the new pen command working, create create three different colors. Okay, let me show you. So let me clear this up. Oh, first let me show you the code. This is implemented as the pen color command with comprehensive error checking. So here it is. This is the code that does the comprehensive error checking, and this implementation includes multiple validation checks and verifies all three RGB components are provided, and validates that values are numeric and ensures the value is within the RGB range, zero, which is between 0 and 255. So yeah, that was it. Let me show you the three colors we can use. Let me pen color 255 and 255 and 255. Pen color set to RGB. So it has been set. Let's see which color is it. Let's see. Okay, let's make a square first and see which color is it. So this color is red. Let's change the RGB color. Uh, pen color 255. Okay, let's see over here and see which color is it. Let's see. Let's make a circle and find out. Hmm, this color is red. We need another color. Let's change the color. Um, pen color 255, 255, 0. So this must be green. Let's check. Let's check. What should we make? Okay, let's make a square, but a little big one. 150. Let's go. Oh, this one is yellow. So this one is yellow. And yeah, context final, one for red, one for green, and one for blue to make an actual color. This should be subject to full error checking, but it is enough to report only that the parameters are invalid, not necessarily which parameters. So in your code, so the new paint command working, create three different colors. Okay, this one is also done. Oh, we missed the green one, right? Okay, let's run this program again, and we missed the green. Let's try clear pen color. So the green color uh, must be 0, 55. I guess it's this. Yes, it's this. Let's make a square. Done. Hmm. Let's say it's done. Okay, yes. But full error checking, but is enough to reprint that the parameters are invalid, not necessarily which parameters. So in the code, let me show you also the error handling uh, while mm, while in the pen color. Let me show you. Oh, yeah. And then pen color. If I use 256 0 comma 0. RG values must be between 0 and 255. Okay, this one is done. Yes, a pin width command that alters the pin width for all the further drawing operations. So in the code, so the new command working. So this command also works pretty well. Let me show you. Let me show you the code first. Okay, this pinwidth command is implemented with validation, which is wait, pinwidth. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's over here. This pinwidth command is implemented with validation. See error pinwidth must be between 1 and 10 and invalid with parameter for pinwidth command. And then there is another pinwidth command for the dialog box option. So it is around here. And this shows pen width selection dialog with predefined size options. So let me show you the how the pen width command works. Let me first, oh yeah, and let me first type and show you, then we'll go through the menu bar. What is it? Pen width. The default is one, I guess. So let me first let me show you the default one. Square 100. Mm, So now let me change the pen width. Let me add 7. Okay. Pen width is set to 7. Now let's make a circle and compare the width of the. Okay. This one works pretty well. So let me check. Oh, the pen width is still 7. So let me. Now we can change the pen width in these options. It's over here. Pen width. We click over here. We can select the pen width and let's select the highest one. Let's select the highest one and make a circle which is how to, oh, nice. Okay. It's done. Okay. The a triangle size command that draws an equilateral triangle. So in your code, so the new triangle command working, you don't have the total move over the triangle that would eh? You don't have to have the total move over the triangle that would be worth additional marks below. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Okay. First, let me show you my code. The equilateral triangle command is implemented over here. This is it. This draws an equilateral triangle with specified side lengths. Plus, I have made a command processing one. This one ensures that ensures the error validation uh, while making the equilateral triangle. So let me show you the equilateral triangle. Let's use white. I have used red enough. White. A triangle. So we need to give only one parameter while drawing a equilateral triangle. Let's give it 200. Done. Okay, equilateral triangle. Here it is. And yes, we can also draw shapes from over here. Select triangle type, equilateral, custom sides. We can draw triangles from over here also. Let me show you a little bit later. So first, yes. Another requirement is make a further triangle command with specified three sides that draws any triangle. Hint, look at polygons. So it working and showing your code how you achieve this. Okay, let me show you. Let me first clear this out and let's make uh, the color is set to white already. And let's first of all, let me show you the code. Um, the extended triangle command is implemented using the law of cosines. So I read a documentation that had this, and then I applied it over here, and here it is using the law of cosines. It is implemented, and I like the equilateral triangle. I have also implemented this triangle with sides in the command processing. Let me show you over here. Mm. Okay, over here. So this makes sure that triangle uh, comma the triangle is error. So now let's draw a triangle with sides. Let's change the color to white. One triangle side is, let's set it to 100, one side to 80, and one side to 110. Let's go. Okay, the triangle is made and it's okay and working. So yes. The things that are not specific requirement on the marking string, anything else to add are. So I've made a couple of extra features. Some of it are, yes, the menu bar. I have added the menu bar in this program and also the sub menu bar in the pin width one and many things like sub. Let me see. First one. So there is a menu bar, save image to PNG file, PNG, save commands through text files and exit one. And I have also added different uh, keyboard shortcuts like Control S for save and Control plus Q for exiting the program. Control plus delete for clear, or either you can clear from over here and then reset one. The turtle has three main options. Uh, the sub option of pen has I pen up and pen down, and I have made another sub menu using pen width. The pen width, we can a dialog box appears and we can choose from over here. Pen width, uh, and next is the colors one. We can choose the colors from over here, like, and everything is working uh works pretty well here. Suppose the let's go for triangle. We can select either equilateral or a custom side triangle. And we have made star, spiral, shape. So let me show you the star command. So star. Wait. First, let me complete the menu option. So another option is the help option. The help option here runs the about one. This one. It's a shortcut of that. And then the commands one. So a new dialog box appears in the help one, and this is it. So here I have listed down some basic commands, movement commands, color commands, save commands, and file commands. So to show you the code is over here. So this shows the help dialog box, and this is what I have written. So there is a scrollable text, as you may have this. This scrollable text is done through this for better readability. And now let's show you this. Okay, the pen color is set to white. Let me change the pen color to okay, red. The star has how many sides? So let me put 5 sides, and the uh, size of the star, let's put 100. Let's see. So the star is made. Let me turn this right now. 100. 200. So this is the star that the turtle has made, and the to show you the star, let me show you this draws the star, and I have additionally kept it inside the process command also for validating the commands. Here it is, validating the commands and for better error handling. And let me show you another one, the spiral one. Let uh, reset. Go to your place. Uh, wait. Let me run this program again. Let me show you the spiral one. Let's change the paint color to white. Okay, now let's make the spiral. Spiral has. Let me check. Here, I have made spiral initial length, increment, and steps. First, you need to write initial length, then increment, then steps. So let's write the spiral 50, length 5, and uh, this 15. Let me show you the spiral. So let me reverse 200. So this is the spiral drawn by the turtle. Let me show you the code of the spiral. So first let me show the spiral code. So this one makes this spiral pattern with growing segment lines. And additionally, I have once again implemented the spiral inside the process command for better error handling and error validation. So, and okay, so I have additionally made a help bar with commands scrollable text. So let me, yeah, first one, okay, first menu bar with sub menus. Second one is yes, star pattern. Uh, the third one is spiral pattern. The next one is help button for for mm, helping, yes, for helping understand the program. And the fourth extra item over here is the scrollable. I have made a scrollable, that scrollable dialog boxes. Uh, Next one is a welcome pop-up box. Uh, the sixth one is I have made this. This is the history. This records the history and state of the program. It is in. I have made it enhance. I have made it enhanced. Uh, yeah. So mm, this one too. Uh, Today, enhanced history tracker UI. And another extra thing I have added is the well, let me check. I have added the GUI with menu system, file operations, advanced save drawing. Oh yeah, wait. Let me show you. Where it is? Where is it? This keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts like Control plus S for saving and Control plus Q for uh, exiting the program. The another thing I have added is the mm, let me think. I think I've added everything. I think I've added everything over here. Wait, let me check again. Yes, I guess I've added everything. I will later change this one thing. So this much for now. And thanks for doing the demo. I have shown this form, this demo. I have put my name and group in the README MD, the root directory of my GitHub portfolio. I've explained my code in this demo. I will submit this form now, upload my YouTube demo, and come back and edit this form to paste in this YouTube link below. Yes.